Hi, I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and I'm just doing a little end of the month check in for my February UFO challenge. Uh, there's everything that's for the whole year. I have finished one big quilt that was January, and for February, the UFO that I picked was um, it was bags. There was another one. I don't know what I did with the pattern. So I had four of these bags. That was my challenge to get done this month. And I got them all done. First one I made was this one. And I think this is called the Cupid's Catch-All. And I mean, it's cute. It's got a little zipper in there and things. Cute. That's done. And let's see. Then this one, I finished this one too. It's got a little drawstring on the top and bag, very cute. That one is the Jade's drawstring bag. Then I did this one. These are always fun. I like these. This is Blossom box bag. So that one, I would say this was the easiest one to make. And then just the other day, I finished the last one. This is the Harvest pouch. I've got it, and it's nice. I've got batting inside to keep it looking nice. But so this was a nice one to make too. So I am so glad to have these done, and no bags that I'm going to be working on for a while. It's been a busy month though. I made a new pattern. This is my mini Dresden Campbell runner. And I've got the pattern on my website. Love it. And then this I worked on and finished towards the beginning of the month. This is Misty. And I made that and patterns on my website for that. So I've been busy. I've got several other quilts and things that I can't show you because they're coming up for things. And then I'm working on a quilt that I want to get done next week. And my long arm, something can't put the needle in anymore. So next Tuesday, we are heading to Hiawatha, Iowa to get it worked on. So in the meantime, this is what I have left in my UFOs. And don't forget, come over to my blog. And if you are working on a UFO, I've got a place where you can leave a photo or a link to what you're working on. And there's always a giveaway on my website. So I have 3 different quilts to do. This is a bag of 6-inch strips, really pretty fabric. Not sure what I'm going to make with that. This is the spool blocks that I made a long time ago. Oh, I guess part of it is a quilt. So that is another one of my UFOs. Lori Holt, her vintage Christmas. Got a long ways to go on that. I've got a lot of blocks made, but there's a lot to this one. Then I've also got this. This is the little 1/8 yard collection of fabric from Andover called Twinkles. So I have that. I also have this that I received in an Advent box for Christmas. And this is the Evening Star Table Topper. And it's by, who's it by? Oh, Melissa Gilbert from Little House on the Prairie. So this is the whole kit. And I've got some half square triangle blocks and stuff. Somebody had a good idea about turning them into quarter square triangles. So I may do that. Then I have this. This is a really old one that I just love. It's string blocks with applique on it. So that is what I have, projects I have still to do. Here's my little basket. I've got my cards in here. Put them in, and we'll see what I draw. Oh, half square the half squares tan. Okay, well that one should be a fairly easy one to do. Okay, that's what I'll be working on for March. What about you? Are you working on a UFO? I hope so. And if you are, please join me. I've also got the color challenge every month. For February, it was red. So I did make 2 red blocks plus several red quilt projects. So you can make blocks, you can make a quilt project. And March is coming up. And can you guess what the color is going to be? It's something to do with St. Patrick's Day. So I will have that. I'll have a blog post on that in just another day or two. So I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. And hope I get my long arm fixed pretty fast. So thank you so much. And I hope you will come over to my blog and check me out and take a look at my patterns and things. So thank you very much.